Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial we are going to make this letter F. Letter F is very easy to make, no assembly required. It will consist only out of 3 rows, and if made out of materials what I am using, it will be 6.5 centimeters approximately in height. I am using 3mm crochet hook and I'm using double knit yarn. As well, you will need scissors only for a short occasion. And before we start, don't forget to hit a subscribe button. Don't forget to check on the description below for link to my blog where you can find a written pattern for this letter F and for all remaining letters. Okay, enough introduction. Let's start doing this letter. We are going to start with chain of 14 stitches. Let's do our chain of 14 stitches to start off with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. We have a chain of 14 stitches and we are moving to row number 1. Our row number 1 will start from the second chain. We're gonna skip this chain and start from the second chain, and it will be single crochet in the second chain. Now we have 12 stitches remaining till the end of our row, and we are going to do 1 single crochet in each stitch, 12 single crochets in total. Finished our first row of our letter F, and we have 13 stitches at the end of our row. We are moving to row number 2. We are going to start it with chain of 1, turn it, and we are going to do single crochet in the same stitch. Again, we have 12 stitches remaining till the end of our row number 2, and we are going to do 1 single crochet in each stitch, which will be 12 stitches in total. We are done with 2 rows of our letter F. First 2 rows were pretty simple, and now we are moving to row number 3. Which will be our last row and a bit more complicated. Not much complicated, but a bit more. We are going to start our row number 3 with chain of 8 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have a chain of 8 stitches. Now we are going to start working from the 3rd stitch, and we are going to start it with 1 double crochet. We done 1 double crochet in the 3rd stitch, and now we have 5 stitches remaining in our chain. We're going to do double crochet in each of these stitches. It will be 5 double crochets. 1 double crochet, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We did 5 double crochets, and now we have to join this tail to our main body. We're going to slip stitch it into 3rd stitch from the beginning of our round, and that's how our letter F looks so far. Now we are moving to next step, where we're going to do 3 slip stitches. Make sure your slip stitches are quite loose, otherwise it's gonna shrink your letter. Slip stitch 1, slip stitch 2, and slip stitch 3. We did 3 slip stitches, and now we are going to do chain of 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have a chain of 6 stitches. Our next step will be double crochets in our chain. We're going to start from the 3rd chain and do double crochet in that chain. And now we have 3 stitches remaining in our chain, and we're going to do double crochet in each of them, 3 double crochets. Double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and double crochet 3. We have 4 double crochets in this chain. Now we're going to join this chain to our main body. We're going to skip 1 stitch and join in another stitch in next stitch. And that's pretty much our letter F is complete. Everything what we need to do is just finish it off. If you're going to attach this letter to a project, I suggest leaving long tail, but I'm not attaching it to anything, so my tail will be short. And I am just going to finish it off. And that's it. That's how our letter F looks like. Pretty easy pattern, perfect for the beginner as well. And depending on color and size of yarn and hook, your letter size may be bigger or smaller. Okay, then thank you for watching this video tutorial. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to check my blog on the description below. As well, if you would like to buy me a coffee, there is link for that available on the description below as well. And once again, thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video.